What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this new video about Optimism. Again, or the OP coin, OP token, still no market cap and circulating supply, which is a shame. They have had a couple of days for that already. But yeah, so we've been covering Optimism for the last couple of days, which you probably all know, which has been interesting to say the least. I said in the beginning, the first time I analyzed Optimism, that I did like the project and its prospects for the future. I did like that, and I still do. Price has dropped down quite a bit over the last 24 hours, but in general, OP is actually holding up pretty well, because in the analysis yesterday we said that we would just consolidate between this 1.45 level and 1.3 level, which we have been doing. As you can see, we have been consolidating, but there's also some sort of a hidden type of squeeze. As you can see, we're kind of, you can see that we're making higher lows right here, and on the other side we are making lower highs. So what that means is that you get something like this, and this is going to be very messy, but you get something like this, which I'm not sure if this is the right way to draw it. I think it is, but you get something like this. And apart from that, even though, I mean, the EMAs are also confirming that we're consolidating, I think we're going to see a move soon, and I'm not sure what that move will be. So if you came here for a clear prediction, then I'm sorry, but this will be more of an analysis, because there's basically two things that can happen, and I think that depends on Optimism, but I also think that depends on, and the crypto, I mean. But I also think that depends on the market circumstances. For example, if Optimism just stays stable and Bitcoin starts to drop down under 29,000, which I consider Bitcoin to be the market a lot of the times, it not always is, but generally it's correct. What would happen then? I mean, then we would just drop down below 1.3, which is our main support right now, and a drop down below 1.3 would mean, in my opinion, a break retest of that level, and a drop down towards at least this level around 1.15, more specifically between, let's say, 1.2 and 1.15, just to give us some breathing space. And from there we'd see again, I think that level could actually provide some support, but whether that's enough support to actually start an uptrend again, I'm not sure. I don't think so. So that's the first scenario. That could also happen out of Optimism itself. Then the main cutoff point is at 1.3 level. Breaking below that is, well, not disastrous, but it would be bearish. And the other scenario, which Optimism, again, it could do that out of itself. And I have to remind you that this is, I really believe in situations like these, the chances are probably not 50-50, but they are very close to 50-50. So it just doesn't feel right to me to actually have a clear bias. Well, I don't really have a clear bias. So this really is more of an analysis than a prediction. Hopefully you can still respect that. But the other scenario is that we break out of this, not necessarily this trend line, but break out of this level right here at around 1.47. And with that, I am also saying that we do not even necessarily have to break above 1.5, even though that level obviously is very close to 1.47. But in the other scenario, for example, if Bitcoin moves up towards 31,000, but again, Optimism could also do it out of itself. But once we break above that 1.47, 1.5 level, mainly 1.47, I think we can actually have this move all the way up to 1.6 and 1.7 again, 1.65 and 1.7, which I will probably update it today, if, for example, if this happens today, because it really depends on what's happening throughout the market and how it's moving, whether I think that 1.65 is going to be the top, or whether I think we can actually extend that. But yeah, so I really think one of these breakouts is going to happen soon. So it's soon, I would mean within the next few days, because we are being squeezed out, and the Optimism the volume is dropping down. So it could also be that we consolidate for a little bit longer without really getting that squeeze. But then again, that the breakout is going to come within the next week. So that's basically my analysis for now. I'm not sure if I will do an analysis tomorrow again. I'm getting a little bit tired of Optimism. So if you would like that, please let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just do it every other day or something. So that's basically my analysis. Thank you all for watching and listening. If you do have any questions, as always, please let me know down in the comments. If you have anything to add, please let me know too. And for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.